The bandits must have driven these people out. But look, there's a peasant hut still standing. We should rebuild this village and make it our own. Excellent.
Okay, so mission 2.
Please,
Gagawin pa.
let me help you start
This
a
is east
village.
side.
Agreed.
Select a peasant.
I'm going.
What you now see at the
Kain
bottom
natin
of the
ang
screen
rice.
are the available buildings. You can only build a peasant hut right now. Left-click on the peasant hut icon, then
Wala
place
tayo
the hut
malapit sa
by
tubig.
right-clicking somewhere on the ground. You can only build on relatively flat terrain, so plan carefully. Remember, left-click is always cancel or select, and right-click always performs actions.
Of course.
Nandiyan na natin yung critical strike ni Kenji.
Uh-huh.
Sakit niyan eh. Anyways, kuha lang tayo ng dalawang magtutubig.
Now your people need food. Let's harvest some rice from that rice field over there. Rice is the currency of this land and is used in all
Hintayin natin
construction and training efforts.
makagawa
Left-click
ng
the
dojo.
peasants,
Okay.
scroll
So,
to the
dojo
rice
it
field,
is.
and right-click the rice field.
All right.
Okay, so ang mapa na to, easy lang naman to eh. Kasi to block to, block. So dito, wala yan dito. Ulo, may base dito.
Rice is
Hindi naman siya
important
base.
indeed.
May kalaban
but you'll
dito,
also need
dito,
water.
dito.
A pond or stream like that one would do nicely. Select a peasant, then scroll to the pond and right-click it. Excellent. We're almost ready to start building our army.
Okay,
To
so
train
magawa ng dojo
warriors,
natin.
We'll need a dojo.
Yes.
Select a peasant.
So, kailangan mo
Harvest
lang
the
naman
dojo
na
is now available in the build menu.
For the
yan
clan.
pa, critical attack
And
agad.
build the dojo
Pang
just
critical
like you
strike.
built the peasant hut.
Bang!
Now to train your
Sakit ni
first
Genji.
spearman. Select a peasant and right-click the dojo.
Okay, so ang
Training
dalawa na to,
spearman will cost you
idiretso
rice and
mo na
water.
dito
So
sa
make
dojo.
sure some peasants keep harvesting.
Para didiretso na yan. Training. Dalawa. I mean, tatlo pala. So, sorry, tatlo dito. Mahaba pang pila nila eh.
As you command. I move.
Hintayin lang natin siguro maka-anim tayo na spearman. Then, gagawan. Wala naman kasing dadaanan. Ito lang ang dadaanan ng kalaban. Punta dito sa base nila.
Done.
Okay, so puno na yung water. So bawasan na natin kahit isa na lang yan. Yung rice tatlo pa rin yan. So malaki yung puno. Ito, anim food.
Over there. Agreed.
Dito, meron dito.
Over there.
May kalaban dito eh. Wala lang kayo ng gawa.
Uh-huh. I move.
Yan.
Face your master!
So, tatlong crossbowmen. Crossbowmen to eh.
Yes.
Dito tayo.
Over there.
Wala naman dito eh.
Yes.
Dito tayo.
Over there.
Ano ba? Ano siguro yan?
I
Dalawa.
follow the
Isa,
dragon.
dalawa.
I move.
Dito may
Agree.
kalaban din. Tandaan lang tayo.
Forward.
Hindi ko maintindihan dito ba't may archer na pula. Serpent yung kalaban ko, may archer. Wala, bug yan, Min. Dito, kasi natin. Okay, 5.
I'm off.
Natin na dito.
Agreed. Charge.
Okay.
I move. Agreed. Attack.
Archer pa rin. Laki yan, Min. Okay,
Agreed.
final battle tayo din.
On it.
So, diretso na natin ito dito. Kanya-kanya punta na lang. Uy,
I'm off.
kailang halos walang damage ang raider. Although tier 2 siya, more or less pang building talaga. Uy,
Charge.
dyan na yung mga kwan. Para kunin natin sila Kenji.
Face your master.
Sakit itong mga Ronin na to.
Charge. Yes.
Okay,
Over there.
great agad. Ah, shit. Sige. Mamaya. Read after.
Over there. I move.
Ano ba?
Agreed. Attack.
Here it goes. Dapat naman kwan.
For the clan. Blood and honor.
Dami namin. Kahit mamatayin ako ng mga 2 spearman, kaya yan. Wala na kasing mga mana sila Kenji.
Face your master.
Okay. Grabing lalakas talaga ng bandit.
Forward. Agreed.
Nahin natin. Wala pa si watchtower
Over
dito.
there. Blood and
Nahin
honor.
natin tong mga peasant. Anyways, back up. Punta na kami, Min. Oh,
Yes.
shit.
Agreed.
Wait lang. Silang. Ikon pa.
Face your master. Forward. Attack.
Chill pa rin. So, takto kaya. Dapat 3 lang kung gusto mo yung puno. Uy. Nandyan ka nagre-repair, Min. Mag-repair. Patayin kailan eh. Okay.
Blood and honor.
Wait lang ah. Wait lang.
I'm going.
Training natin daw.
Yes.
Sakit ng mga ronin nila. Ano ito, bago pa eh. Wait, good.
As you
Kaya
command.
timing. Lipat natin ang ito. Kahit mga 10. Ito. Ilang siguro ito. Pero kasi malalakas mo ito eh. Ayan, ito. Ang mga sundot boys. Sundot boys. Non-siege. Sorry. Let's do this. Pagod kami. Pagod siya, men.
On the way. Over there.
Ito.
Over there.
Ayan. Yung mga swordsman. Wala yan, men.
For the clan. Charge.
Okay. Pinakamahirap, wala tayong mga siege units eh. Sundutin lang natin yan. Sundot lang, men. Omo. Oh, war cry. War cry. Battle cry. Battle cry pala. For the dragon, men. For the dragon.
Yes. For honor.
Umulan muna to.
For the clan.
Saan ka pa, men? Saan ka pupunta eh?
Blood
Of
and honor.
course. Walang kwenta yung mga training. Kung boy pa to. Present at. Ito na, men. Pagod ka. Diretso ka na. Oh, yes. Ano pa ba? Habol pa eh. Okay.
That's the last of them.
Strip their corpses.
What?
Would Shinja kill his own men?
No, but
Then fetch their clothes.